I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then